Even if you take careful steps, you can't avoid bad things from happening. Sometimes, another human being's malice is responsible for putting your life at risk. With that in mind, let's list some everyday items you can use to defend yourself. Retractable pen. It would be troublesome to use something with a cap. Clicking to release the ballpoint would be more tactical against an attacker. Reverse grip the pen, click and aim for a vulnerable point such as the floating ribs, eyes, nose, ears, and so forth. Lollipop. If your mouth happens to be nursing a lollipop and you're being attacked, take it out. Clench the hard candy tight and let the stick protrude between your middle finger and index finger. Throw rapid punches or launch a powerful lollipop fist to your enemy's face for that sweet victory. Wristwatch. Unclasp your metal wristwatch, hold the bracelet, and use it as a knuckle buster. Works like brass knuckles. Don't hesitate even if it's Rolex, because your life is worth more than that. Self-defense keychain. Self-defense key fob might look simple and harmless, but it can give your attacker a real world of pain. Draw it out using the ring that holds the keys and repeatedly hit them with the monkey fist that houses the steel ball. You can also switch it up and lacerate them with the keys through the same rapid swinging motion. I would advise you learn some techniques beforehand to really give your potential attacker hell. Fire extinguisher. If by any chance you are attacked in the presence of a fire extinguisher, be quick to grab it and be sure you know how to use it. You can spray your attacker's face to reduce their visibility and then beat them with the fire extinguisher. Just enough to immobilize the assailant, make your escape, and alarm the authorities. Cup of joe or tea. Whatever it is that you have on hand, just throw that hot cup of caffeine to your assailant's face. The burn should slow them down and give you a chance to escape. Last but not the least, your mouth. Everyone is vulnerable to fear, including your attacker. You can show them that you're not afraid and use the adrenaline to yell at the top of your voice. This will let them know that you are riled up by them violating your peace and sense of security. When at home, this method should alert the dogs, wake the neighbors, and generally inform a lot of people that something is going on. But be careful. You need to play this by ear, especially when you're clearly at a disadvantage. If your attacker is not showing any fear and they're already closing in, your best shot might just be to bite till they bleed and shove them to make your escape.